Squishy's Toy Class. So
All right,
today we have Squishy Paws, Furry Frens, I guess that's what they're called. Squishy. And they don't say they're scented. They smell good in the box. So
yeah, like you open the box, you could smell them.
The reason I got the purple heat because like that's like obviously I would get a purple heat. I'm just saying. These are tab squishies, guys.
Yeah, they smell. I could smell the box, and they smell
so
really good. It doesn't say anything on here.
They literally are ripping this.
Oh yeah. See, it doesn't say anything that they're scented, but
and
they
they're
definitely
literally
are.
supposed to be sticky, but like it's sticky on the bottom. But I mean, I have the colors. I mean, they're very like weird feeling, I guess, but
They smell so good, though.
They smell delicious.
I'm surprised too, because I didn't see anywhere on the box that says it's scented. But they sure smell good. Hey, hold it down low. I can't see you do that. Can you see? Over.
And like these things are hard to like squeeze or something. But like overall,
here, can I see the green one? Can I hold the green one? Get them stick together. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Get them stick together.
Furry Frens. See, they don't stretch a lot. I feel if you stretch them too much, they'll definitely rip. So, I'm trying to think what this. What do you think it smells like, Squishy? It smells like a fruity scent, maybe.
Maybe like fruit.
Like
watermelon.
I don't know, but they sure smell good.
Yeah.
They have a little bit of a sticky feel, but they're not slimy.
Gooey.
Yeah, they're not slimy or gooey or anything, but
they're not even squishy that much.
Yeah, you got both of them.
It's like
they're little, they're jiggly. They're kind of like a Jello.
Jiggle.
Yeah, they jiggle like Jello. Little paw print, little doggy paw print.
Jiggle like Jello.
And look, it's got your nickname, Squishy.
Actually, Squishy Mush.
That, of course, that's another big reason why we had to get these.
Ready? 1, 2.
Got Squishy's nickname in it. Oh wait, I didn't see that in the camera. You hold it down lower so I could see what you did. What'd you do? Oh, you sticking them together.
They look like stickies. Wobby. Oh, I'm holding it by a thing.
Oh, careful.
Like, I'm holding it by, like, the excess. Why do they keep the excess on?
Well, I don't know. That's just, I guess, when they're made.
It actually feels so good about mine. When you pull it, it feels so good.
You gotta hold it over the table, Squishy, so I can see.
That feels, like, amazing stretching out.
It's amazing.
Like, that's amazing.
It's amazing. Makes my hand smell good. Unlike some of the other squishies that smell bad.
Like the dumplings. Oh my god.
Yeah, some of the dumplings could smell bad. So what is this? Jaru ink?
They're tab squishies.
Furry Frens.
I guess that's what they're called.
Yeah, I guess that's.
They have a protection over it. So
yeah, you could easily put them back in the box. Keep them stored.
You can literally squish them in the thing.
Yeah.
Look.
All right. So, anyways, yeah, they get stuck together or something.
Yeah. Normally they get stuck together. Look.
Plop, plop.
Oh, they're both. Let's see if I can get a flip. I need to put it like.
Yeah. Try to flip it right side up. Nope. Try again.
Nope.
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 Flipping the squishy paws.
Yeah.
All right. That is.
Yeah, I got first try.
There you go. So that's these squishy paws.
Oh man.
Furry Frens Squishy Paws.
I got it again on second, fourth, fifth, something try.
Oh. Alrighty, that's these Squishy Paws, Furry Frens, something or other. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.